Does anybody have any questions or comments so far?
I have a question. You said something earlier about the chakras in the body. Are you saying that the chakras are actually within the mental body itself?
So the chakras are actually part of the energy body.
The energy body.
Oh yeah, you weren't here for the very beginning, were you?
No.
So the energy body is this next smaller layer to the physical body. So we have the physical, what's that?
It's the closest to the physical body.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so we have the physical body, and then it's the energy body, and then it's the mental, or it's the emotional, and then it's the mental.
Okay, so then I misunderstood when I thought you might have said the chakras related to the emotional body. That's what
Nope, the energy.
it's just the energy.
The energy body, yep. That's why like the chakras are basically metaphysical. It's like they're kind of physical in a way, but they're not. They're more etheric and energy-like. So then also, every one of our 7 main chakras, it governs and correlates to different glands and organs in our body. So the glands and organs are like physical representations of the chakras. So you can actually bring healing and restoration to the chemicals in your body, as well as the organs and the glands, through doing chakra healing. See, but the affirmation goes, I am love, I am connected, I am grounded, I have purpose, I am beautiful, I am worthy of sharing my emotions as I am valid in my birthright with the divine to experience the contrast of life with grace, ease, patience, and peace. Ashe. Take a moment to stay with the breath for a moment. And just feeling this golden, balanced connection through the chakras.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right.
What is dragon energy?
Dragon energy, eh? So, I mean, there's many different ways that people connect with dragon energy, but for me, just to explain it to you, dragon energy is like great mother, great grandmother energy. It's basically the divine feminine at its purest and original energy, if that makes sense. It can also be known as like Mary Magdalene energy, something like that. Anybody else have any questions?
Not a question, if anybody has comments. So I used to do a lot of chakra alignment in ancient Tibetan bowl. And I would ring the bowl on the base on it up. And when you chakra the energy, if you have an injury in a certain part, that area of the body will have a lesser frequency. You can pick up the abnormality. And I've come across some very bizarre medical problems and tell them to explain to them. And after a lot of practice, you get used to it. He said, yeah, I have this illness. He said, oh, you can have kidneys out of that. Your right shoulder, you had an injury, and that sort of thing. And everybody, the lesser chakras, what's this? You know? that's the chakras. The left side of your body is the female, the right side is the male. When you do this, you're making a completion, a whole. All over the world, you see, you put it in the hands. It's a completing of a serpent. You can do that also through the body, through the feet, and the head. That's what you see and feel in the applications.
That is correct. And that's why we see that when we do prayer codes, we bring it to our heart too, because the heart chakra, if you look, there's 7 main chakras, it's number 4, which makes it the center. So it's the balance between your heaven dimensions, or your heaven energies and lights, as well as your earth energies and dimensions. So that's why we bring it left hand, right hand to the heart, because it's balance. Yeah.
So if you have an injury and it's showing up in the chakra or with the singing bowl or whatever, is there a way to balance it even if you still have that injury in your physical body?
So are you asking if you're able to balance your chakra despite having a physical ailment?
Right.
Yes. So trying to find the best way to word this. It's kind of hard to word it. So since the energy body is like a bigger body to the physical human body, it's more quicker, it's more accelerated, it's more light speed, so to say. It's higher vibrational. So you're able to do things, and this is kind of like where we tap into quantum level healing, and quantum physics is getting into the energy body and the light body and doing healing that way. So when you go into the light body and the energy body, what you can do is recalibrate it. And then once you recalibrate it, it's like a domino effect, and then it trickles into your physical and emotional, mental life. Now, it depends upon how blocked up or overactivated, because you can actually be overactivated in your chakras as well. It depends on how far blocked or overactivated you are for that process to really take place to fully heal. Because the physical levels can be slower to manifest than the light body. So that's why, when we manifest, it's a patient process, because what we're doing is we're pulling things out of lighter dimensions, and then through our third eye chakra, actually, is where we mentally and consciously project our reality into the physical. So it takes a little bit longer in the sense of time, and time's a whole other discussion as well, but
Right.
but it takes a little bit longer because we're bound in this third dimensional physical realm. Good question.
Thank you.
Anyway. So what I'm going to draw out to you guys here is basically a diagram of the human being. So the human being is a multidimensional being. Oftentimes we think the human being is just his physical body. And his physical body is actually just the most dense body of it. So with the energy body or light body being the next layer out from the physical human body, it acts basically as a roadmap or a blueprint system, or the matrix coding that binds together the rest of these layers and bodies of dimensions to the physical being. So the physical being is able to experience emotion, it's able to experience mental consciousness, and it's able to experience electric and light. So within the energy body, you have the chakras. So when we're grounded, we also ground through the soles of our feet, which is why there are minor chakras there. And that's why we have a practice called earthing, where we have bare feet on the earth. We have little chakras on the bottom of our feet, and those little portals sink us into the magnetic aura. But it's all the time I have. And that's my presentation for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.